All right, guys, let's go ahead and look here. So we have 32 and 4 tenths times 10 to the power of 2. If you remember correctly, the 10 to the power of 2 is also 10 times 10, which means 100. So I'm taking 32 and 4 tenths and I'm multiplying it by 100. I'm multiplying so I want my number to get larger. I'm going to go ahead and put it above my place value flag. So my 3 is in my tens, my 2 is in my ones, and then I have my decimal, and then I have my 4. Okay? Since I'm multiplying by 100, I want to shift my digits to place values to make my number larger. So I am going to actually move my place value flag. If my 3 is in my tens, I want to make it, I want to shift it 2 place values to the left. If that's the case, I want you to also pay attention as I do this. Pay close attention to what's happening to my decimal as I move my digits, okay? So my 3 is in my tens. I'm multiplying it times 100. So my 3 is now going to go to my hundreds and my thousands. I shifted it to place values, okay? If you look at where I had circled the decimal before. Okay, the decimal didn't actually move, but when I shifted my place values, my decimal got pushed back towards the end of my number. So if you look here, I need a placeholder in my ones, and my decimal got pushed back to the end. So my number shifted up, which caused my decimal to now be in the back. Okay. So when we did that, we got 3,240. Okay. And I want to show you what that would look like. So I'm going to go ahead and just delete this right here. I'm going to delete that. And I want to show you what this would look like without using our place value flag. So we have 32 decimal 4. I'm going to write that down. 32 decimal 4. I'm multiplying, so I want my number to get larger. In order for it to get larger, my digits are going to have to move up in place value. When I move up in place value 2 times, it's going to automatically shift my decimal. So I'm going to cross off my decimal, okay? And when I move my digits up in place value, my decimal is being shifted to make my number larger. It's 32. So if I move my decimal this way once, and we're multiplying by 100, so twice, this shows my shift of numbers. My decimal is now at the end because my numbers have been shifted. So this also gets me my answer of 3,240 once I erase the other information. So that's another way to do it. Okay?